Hi, this is John with WTI, and if you're looking for some great headphones for the go that are going to be noise canceling for whenever you're working or you're traveling and you want to space out, these Sonys are a really good option. So when I was in the market trying to look for something that I can work out or that would have no distractions and I can only see or listen at the quality, these are a great option. So if you're working or if you're trying to do some concentration, some deep work, and you're not going to have any problem at all with this. These are long lasting battery with great sound quality, and they have the ANC off and on option, the active noise cancellation that is going to block out all of your surroundings. They're adjustable, and if you're running out of battery, you would always have the opportunity to use your aux cable. You're good to go. So if you're looking for a good option in the market, these Sonys are great. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.